Hi everybody, thanks for joining me on another episode. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. So I've come out in the Peak District. We're in an area called Surprise View, and I'm going to just do a bit of bouldering, bit of rock climbing, and then when I'm hungry I'm going to cook myself up, well, just put together a really indulgent pudding. So we're going to have like a Biscoff pudding in a jar. So we're going to have Biscoff paste, Biscoff biscuits, cake, banana, popcorn, all those high sugary indulgent things that are ideal after you've been exerting a lot of energy. So let's have a bit of a play, and then we'll rustle something up. So I've had a good play around up there now. There's a small silver birch just sticking out from the rock up there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a climb up with my rucksack and cook up that treat. Wish me luck. That were a bit harder with the best part of 20 kilogram on my back. beautiful day. So, as I said, this is going to be a really indulgent sugar rush, really bring you back after exerting all that energy when you've been out rock climbing or doing any sort of big sports or weight training session. This is really not one for the faint-hearted. Ingredients wise, we've got Biscoff biscuits, Biscoff spread, some chopped nuts, some popcorn, any sort of sponge cake and a banana, and the good old jar stroke mug to put it all in. So let's get cracking with this. So first thing you want to do is you want to get a handful of your popcorn. I like sweet popcorn, but you can have salted if you want. So get a good handful of that. So let's just get that out there. And save a bit back, don't use it all. Then get your cake. What you want to do is just break that up into sort of small bite-sized pieces. Just big enough so you can get it on the end of your spoon. There you go, nearly lost one. And then we'll put that to one side. Then the next thing we need to do is just want to toast those nuts off a bit. So we'll get the pan on. And all this does is it just brings out that really toasty nuttiness. Just gives it that extra sort of bit of natural flavour that the nuts provide. We don't want to burn them, so try and keep moving them around. Oh, what a glorious day it is today. What could be better? Coming out, bouldering, climbing, getting some fresh air in the glorious sun, and then cooking yourself a really special treat. So they're done. We'll take those off the heat, turn that gas off. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add those nuts to that mixture. Get all them in there. And then we're going to get our Biscoff biscuits. Take a few of them and literally crunch them up. Like that. Then the final thing to put in your mixing bowl is a little bit of banana. So I'm literally just going to chop that up to small pieces. And we're nearly ready to go with that. So the last thing, we're going to get some of this Biscoff paste and we're going to get it in the pan. Nice couple of big dollops of that. In fact, let's go for 3. Worked up an appetite. And then get that on again. Now all we need to do is melt this down a little bit just so it's nice and runny. soon as it gets to that stage, take it off the heat. Now you just want to get your ingredients. Oh, can't do that. Just get your hands in there. Don't push it down. Leave gaps, because that's where your sauce is going. A few more nuts. Now watch this. Just save a little bit. Before you sprinkle that last bit on top. So there we have it, look at that. We've got a Biscoff pudding jar, we've got Biscoff biscuits, Biscoff paste, banana, toasted nuts and popcorn. Look at that. Can't wait to get stuck in. Oh. Mm. Oh, let's get some of that cake. Yes. Oh. Mm. That is amazing. What a sugar rush. That is going to definitely give me enough energy to get back down again and back to the car. So thanks for watching, everybody. Remember, if you like the videos, if you like what I'm doing, if you like the recipes or you want to try some yourself, follow me, subscribe, like and comment, and we'll see you next time. So guys, look at that. I've just noticed where I've been filming, literally in the crack of the rock, there's a tiny little bat. I hope you can make it out on the GoPro. So I'm going to switch to my camera on my phone. No, wrong one. Yeah, so I was filming just down here and I've just been putting my backpack on. And my backpack's there. And as I looked up, look at this little guy. He's a little bat. Help me. Just snoozing in the crevice. That's a good handheld you've got there. Leave you to it, mate. What a view you've got though. What a view.